In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Disney-style cartoon movie like this.
What is it? It seems to be a wonderland.
Intrigued by the allure of the unknown, he ventures into the heart of the village.
With the help of one software and literally by one click. So make sure you stick to me till then, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Go to the link given in the description and sign up to ArtFlow AI with your Gmail or email account. This is not completely free, but you get some free credits to use. After this dashboard will open. Here are 4 things you can do. One is actor builder. By your image, you can create different actors. Okay. You also have some inbuilt actors here which you can use in the image, and this will automatically remain consistent in all scenes. Image Studio, you can create your images by some text prompts. I have created a complete tutorial on this particular Image Studio and Video Studio option, so you can go ahead and check that. Next is Video Studio, where you can create or generate your video or your movies. And finally, Story Studio, where you have some inbuilt stories, but we will be creating from scratch. For creating story, go to this Story Studio option and then New Story. Here you will be getting 2 options. I have a story or help me to get a story. I am going to help me to get a story. Here, the first important question which AI asks, who is your audience? You can choose anyone from here. I am giving any. Next important question which AI asks here is, what's the purpose of your story? I'll give any. You may choose anything from here. What genre of the story it should be? I will give children's story. And this question is very important. Any quick ideas what this story is all about? So here we will be, if we can give this prompt properly, your story will amazingly turn out and it will be a great film. Okay, here you will get different stories on Jungle Book. Copy this and paste it here and generate story outline. So here they will provide you a story outline and they will also provide you the characters. You may choose the characters from here or you may change as well. For me this is okay, so I will go to this create this story option. Now here they will ask to select the aspect ratio. If you are going for shorts or reel, it should be selecting 9:16. For me it is horizontal 16:9. Now they will ask to choose a style. For me, since this is a Disney style cartoon movie I want to create, I would like to go for 3D cartoon and continue the character builder. Now I have got my 3 characters ready. If you want to change, you can go for edit character. If you want to add some face, you can go to add face option, and that way it will lead you to different faces which are there. You can also train an actor by putting the image. So here you can choose any of these images. If you want to edit the character further, you can edit it by changing here. But I will confirm this and then I will continue to storyboard. Now in a blink, they will create the complete story. So it took only 2 minutes time for me to create the complete story. Now see here, for each scene, you will be getting 2 images. This is number 1 and this is number 2. You may download both images or you may use any one of them. I would like to use this one. Now go to the next scene and check whether your image is okay. There are 2 images again. I would like to stick to this one. Like this, you have entire story done. Okay, on a blink. Now few more things. Here you have the short narration. What exactly this scene is talking about. Okay, and here you have the character name and background and everything. If you want to change any of these, you can change it. The background, if you want to do something else, then you can change it. That will cost you 1 credit only. Okay. But for me, this is all right. So I would like to export it. Now your video is ready. You may play from here. And then you can go to the 3 dots to download, or else you can download the video from here. You may download with CC or without CC. Okay. I will be downloading without CC. Now I'm going to show you how you can make the character speak. For this, I'm going to take the snapshots of those scenes. Okay, that's the reason I have not taken CC. Now let's go. Now I have googled some quotes from Mowgli movie. Okay, now I can copy these few things. Now head back to this option and then create new video from scratch. Now I will upload my character, my scene. So I will go to browse. I will take the first character who I want to speak. So I will just take this. Okay. Now it will detect the character's face. Now go to dialog. Here you can either upload your own audio, but I want to generate from here only. So go to all voices. First here give the dialog. Which dialog I have got? Maybe I will take this one. So if you keep this off, then the character won't speak. But I want it to be on so that character can speak. Now this is on. Okay. Now you will have to add any voice to check. Some are premium. So I need only a normal voiceover. So I cannot go for premium. So I will select this one. And then you can preview.
What is it? It seems to be a wonderland.
Okay. So once you are satisfied, it will consume 3 credits, export and animate. Now, once this dialog is ready, you can download it. You can download with CC or without CC. I will download without CC. Okay. Now, bring it back here. Here I want this video to be played. So I will bring this video here. And then if you don't want to give this ArtFlow AI logo, then you can just go to this effect option and you go to video effects, basics, you get this mosaic option, bring it on top of it, select it, and you can also change the texture if you don't want this. You can choose any one of them and you can increase the blurriness. Right click and go to speech to text option. Here you have 2 options, clip selection or entire timeline. I will go for entire timeline. Okay, and you should always select SRT because that will be editable format. And go OK. It will take a while. Once it is completed, cross it, you will get this blue thing. Okay, so then you will have to choose that and then you can further change. If you feel that there are some word mistakes or something, then you can change from here. Now, you select any one and then you go to customize. You can go to customize and change the fill color and everything. You can go for presets also. I would like to go for a nice preset. You have very nice presets here. You can choose first, bring the cursor with the playhead there and choose any one preset whichever you like to be vibrant. Okay, it should be vibrant. And you have 3 types of presets. You can also go for this border. Once you are satisfied, go to the save option. Okay, once you are satisfied, go to this export button, change the name, change the directory from here, keep the higher selected and export. And after all this is the final story.
A young boy, raised by the wilderness, discovers a mysterious world beyond the trees.
What is it? It seems to be a wonderland.
Intrigued by the allure of the unknown, he ventures into the heart of the village.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.